Yo, hey, yo, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox a brand new hair clipper from Wmark with the model number NG119. So, stay tuned, man. Alright. So, this is the box. Looks like this. And got two colors. One black and one, I don't know, gone color or something like that. So, got 7,000 RPM, 2,000 milliamp battery, and 3 to 4 hours quick charge, and 240 minutes operating time. So what else? Nothing else. And I have to tell you, this is a heavy duty hair clipper. I mean, it's a full metal. Alright. So inside, like this. Got a manual, I guess 4 guide combs, and the charging cable, and it's not a USB type C. Okay. Little brush. So, this is the hair clipper. And got a clicking lever. Got 4 clicking lever. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 clicking lever. Charging port. This is the clicking lever. Here you got a logo of Wmark. It's a little bit heavy, I have to say. And like I said, got a little bit of weight because it's somehow heavy. It's a full metal. So, okay, it's a little bit heavy. Got a 7,000 RPM. Okay, with lever open and lever closed. Okay. This one is too small. Now let's make a tear down. So it's really a heavy duty. it is like this. So it's metal too. Two things I don't like here. This blade is not thick enough to take other guards, and the 4 clicking lever. The restings, it's good. The RPM is good. Peace, man. All right.